No one cares that your product is 3D printed. It's not a marketing term and it's not a bug. So let's go ahead and talk about this a little bit. Look at the things in front of you. Look at your clothes, your shoes, your glasses, your hat, your pen, your computer. Do you know how any of those were made? Do you have any idea what the process was? You have no idea. There was molding, blow molding, stamping, machining, maybe hand-carved stuff. There might have been foam injection molding, weaving, stitching, all of these different processes. You have no idea what any of them are because they are irrelevant to whether the product works for you. You wanted to know, does this pen write? And does it write well? You don't care if it was extruded or molded or handcrafted or whatever. This applies the same to 3D printed items. There is an idea that 3D printing is either a marketing term to show it looks cooler and futuristic because it's 3D printed, or even a bad thing because 3D printed has layer lines or something like that. Both of those are irrelevant. Wood has layer lines and it is a premium material. People put knurling onto the handles of tools in order to have a better grip. All of these things are simply features or side effects of the process, but they have nothing to do with whether the product is good. This is what you're going for if you're making a 3D printed product. Is the product good? Does it solve a problem? Does it entertain? Is it beautiful? All of those things are completely achievable with 3D printing because it's simply a way of making stuff. Now, if you want to promote that, like the way you would promote, this is handcrafted, you can talk about 3D printing deeper in the details. If you have fans who want to know how do you make this awesome phone charger or something like that, you can absolutely show how it's made, show the factory, show the printers making it, show off the Slant 3D factory, steal some of our videos to show us making your part for you. That is all doable, but you do not need to put it in the title of your product. 3D printed phone charger is not a good title. What is it? No customer is searching for that. They're looking for phone charger and they want to know that it's beautiful, functional, and works well. That's all they're looking for. So stop using 3D printing as a core feature and instead just go and focus on, is your product good in and of itself, and use 3D printing to make it. That's fine. We use all kinds of stuff to make everything around us, but no one cares how it was done unless they really want to dig deep. And in that case, you can reveal it and show the amazing processes in the background, because 3D printing is amazing, but do not make it a core feature of your product. It's not. No one cares that your shoes were injection molded, then stamped, then glued, then soldered, and so on. They want to know, do these shoes make me faster? Do they make me look better? Have a great day, everybody.